Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a very cool video for you. This is on a 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is the Trailboss. It has some characteristics of an RST, but it is not. Looks like it has blacked out badges. He may have already done that. Got it ready. We're going to be doing the 9-inch McGaughys lift kit today with some 26x14 all black Artem Curvis wheels. Check those out here in a minute. Those are really nice. And we're doing 37 1350 26 Fury MT tires. Very excited about this one. Customer did drive from probably an hour and a half away from the shop, a little south of here. I think Warner Robins, Georgia is what he said. Stay tuned for this one. Very excited for the process, and I'm going to show everybody everything we do to it. Once again, I did say it's a Trailboss, which it is. It has Trailboss badges on it. I don't see the colored tow hooks in the front, which is new. Maybe he changed those out. It does have the black wheels on it that are normally on a Trailboss. That makes perfect sense. But everything else is color matched in black, which is really nice. I like it. It definitely has the Trailboss steps on the side, so that kind of tells me what I need to hear. It is a Trailboss. Has the new hood thing that they do on the Trailbosses on the front. Really cool. Interior of this truck is the black leather, and I don't even need to say it. This is my favorite. I love this. Has two big screens in it. Has the center console shifter, which is cool. It's a very, very nice truck. So stay tuned for the process. Well, we've got our all black Trailboss ready to go, and man, this thing is nice. I get excited about just about every one of these builds, but when you see one like the one I'm looking at right now, you're gonna know as soon as I turn this camera around. This truck is murdered out. It's all black, has a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit on it, black wheels, and it's absolutely stunning. Hold on. All right, well, here's our truck. Check it out. Tell me what you think. This is a 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500. I know it's a Trailboss. It has characteristics of an RST, which means everything's color matched and painted. I don't know if the customer had this done on his own or if he had bought the truck like that, but everything on this truck is gloss black. The grill, the bumper, the logos right here are gloss black. So he couldn't have went with a better choice on wheel. This is a 26x14 Artem off-road Curvis. This is a cast aluminum wheel, but it's a great purchase price for what you're buying here. We paired it up real good with the 37 1350 26 Fury MT1. I love the way the lip of this wheel just rolls. It's not squared off like a lot of the wheels are. And that tire having a little bit of stretch on the 1350, I think it looks better like that. What do you think? Not too much stretch. We went with a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit here. This is the SST gloss black with the milled accents. Of course, you get your McGaughys struts in the front. You can run those up to 9 inches. They use the factory coil spring right here that's on the truck already. It's just replaced on top of this strut. There's your kicker braces that come in the regular kit right there. Those look phenomenal. He also upgraded his to the traction bars for the rear that match the front ones. So he's got a complete package under there. Once again, there's your 12-watt wheel lights from Infinite right there. They look amazing. I'm super stoked about this truck. I think that You couldn't have went any better on this one. I probably would have put chrome wheels on it if I had a choice, because that's just the way I am. But let me know how the black wheels are looking, and what you think about them. If you have any questions about this, prices or anything like that, feel free to reach out. My name is Jake. I'm at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. The number here is 678-994-9180. I work every day. You can just call me if you have any questions. I'm going to put the price quote for this job in the video at the end after this clip right here. So if you guys are curious what this costs, just check that out and let me know what you think. And I appreciate you watching, guys.